Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and one of the questions I get asked regularly is, of course, is Windows 11 faster than Windows 10? If I'm a gamer, am I better on Windows 11 or Windows 10? And of course, that question is often you have benchmarks of all sorts that are done, and of course, you have what some people say, you have what Microsoft says. And you have also personal accounts of people moving on to specific operating system, saying it's faster, it's better. I've always said personally on the machines that I've moved from 10 to 11 that it's as fast as 10. I can't say it's faster, but it definitely doesn't seem slower. And Neowin actually just did a benchmark, and I'll share the link to their article, which is interesting. What's probably coming out of that article, and that's what I see probably plausible and what should be basically in performance and all, is that in general, Windows 11 and Windows 10 share roughly the same performance. I get a lot of people saying, "Oh, well, when Windows 11 is even more bloated than Windows 10." It's not the case. And one of the things that a lot of people say, "Well, it's bloated. Look, it doesn't fit on a DVD anymore." Yeah, if you take just an image of a language version of Windows 11, it does. The problem is the ISO that you download is multi-language, multi-version. It's bigger, but overall, it doesn't take more RAM, doesn't take more power to run Windows 11. And in fact, when I'm running Windows 11, like I said, unsupported on a 10-year-old Toshiba, which is super fast and works great. So it shows you that, its performance is pretty much equal. That's my take on it. It's pretty much equal as Windows 10. And you'll see in the article, if you're interested in checking it out, that the different benchmarks that they show, it kind of evens out. Some show Windows 11 with a slight advantage. Some show Windows 10 with a slight advantage. When you take all of that into account and put it all together, basically, you're getting same performance in general. And that's what I would think, especially since the underlying code of Windows 11 is a big part of Windows 10 still. So, there shouldn't be that much of a difference in performance in general between both operating systems. So, if the question is, because I had that question, well, if I move to Windows 11, is it going to be slower? No, it will not. It's going to be the same. That's pretty much what it is. And for those that have performance issues, I've seen some say, "Oh, well, my games don't work anymore." And yeah, well, maybe your drivers are not optimized for Windows 11, because that is a thing. When there's a new version of Windows, you also need optimized drivers for the new version of Windows, because they actually are going to perform the best. And a lot of PCs that have been pushed to Windows 11 are probably not and have not had updates in their drivers. So you're using Windows 10 drivers that could work as well and be perfect, but could also not be exactly what Windows 11 needs. But overall, there's no difference. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.